Yeah, Jamaican Lion. Once upon a time, I was rolling down the street in my Mack truck. Tell them niggas suck and start calling my phone. I ain't got no love for y'all. You thought you had a hand out asking a young black nigga for some money. No, nigga, I ain't got none. Robbing little kids for bags. I see you, you see me. We ain't never friends yet. I ain't never had a quarter nigga and dime. 350K. I want it all, man. Listen what the words say. Listen how I'm rapping it, man. I ain't never had none. Just a young skinny black nigga. Stop calling my phone, man. I ain't got no words for you. I told y'all suckers I ain't got nothing for y'all. Trying to make it. I can get out the project. I wanna live better and good in a gated community. Yeah, I know I'm a young skinny black nigga. Trying to make it big. This how we do it in the dirty south. Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. Sitting back with my leg crossed. Can't tell her how to put one leg on a throne. I told her stop calling my phone. I ain't making no more love to you. All I wanna do, look through the window and see if my mind playing tricks on me. I ain't never going nowhere. That's a Uniscone black nigga. Yeah, my eyes big and open. I can see you looking at me. I ain't never had a smile. Sitting back with my legs just crossed. Every time I go in the kitchen, I'll be hungry. Eating me a pig feet with a bologna and jelly sandwich. With a little cranberry juice. That's all a black nigga can do in the South. I ain't never had no money. Yeah, rocking on my bed, y'all. Listen how my bed sound. Just listen to it, y'all. It be rocking left, right, rocking left, right, bouncing up and down. Every time you see me on I-10, it be rocking, bouncing, switching, trying to do it all. We be all out on I-10, y'all. We trying to get it left, right, greasy, however you want it. So we know we ain't never going nowhere, y'all. We still gonna be up in it. So for all y'all who ain't never heard of a skinny young black nigga, this Jamaican Lion, I'ma tell you once again, y'all, Jamaican Lion, the one and only. I ain't never going nowhere. And every time I see y'all, I be looking right at y'all. My eyes be wide open looking at you. Y'all think a nigga be hard to kite just cause a nigga be looking. Nah, I be looking right at y'all.